Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the phone number is the one tied to the Apple ID. Without that link, this method won't work. Once done, open iCloud. Calm or the Find My app on another device and choose Forgot Apple ID or Password. You'll enter the phone number when prompted or try guessing the Apple ID using common email forms. Make sure to keep the phone nearby so you can receive SMS or calls for verification codes. Now follow the verification flow. Apple may send a code via SMS, call, or an authentication prompt to a trusted device. You'll enter that code to confirm control over the phone number. If a trusted device prompts you, approve it. If you only get SMS, type the code exactly. Once authenticated, the system will reveal or allow resetting the Apple ID password or show the linked iCloud account. Be patient. Sometimes delays require retrying the send code option. Finish by resetting the password if prompted, then sign into iCloud and confirm Find My settings. If verification codes never arrive, make sure the phone has signal, airplane mode is off, and do a carrier restart. Retry sending codes after a minute. If still blocked, start an Apple account recovery request or contact Apple support with device serial and purchase proof to prove ownership. Remember, recovery can take days, so monitor messages and keep your recovery contact info updated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.